A few weeks before I released this video, I made gluten-free bagels from scratch and they were delicious, but I also wanted to make cream cheese from scratch, and I did. It was good, but it wasn't great. So I tried and tried again until I came up with this. Hey friends, my name is George Gianaris. I'm a chef of 37 years, and if you're here, it's because you like to eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. Getting this cream cheese just right was not easy, but I've tackled the hard part and it will be much easier for you. And if you stick around to the end of this video, you'll also get a link to an amazing gluten-free bagel recipe. Let's begin. You're gonna need full fat milk. I got my hands on fresh raw milk from a local farmer, so that is what I'm going to use. You're gonna need a half gallon or 1.89 liters. You're also gonna need to juice 5 tablespoons or 90 milliliters of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You want to heat the milk up and stir it so it doesn't stick. You're also going to need about a quarter cup or 70 milliliters of Greek yogurt. And just before it comes to a boil, you add the yogurt. Bring it back up to temperature again, and just before it boils, you turn off the flame and stir in the lemon juice. This will cause the milk to release its whey. You don't need to throw out that whey because you can use it to make ricotta cheese. Pour the milk into a cheesecloth covered colander and strain off the whey. Add a half to a full teaspoon of Celtic sea salt to it while you blend it. You can use a hand mixer or food processor to blend the cream cheese smooth like butter. You're also going to need about a quarter cup or 70 milliliters of heavy cream. This is also from my local farmer. Just don't bother to taste it now. It won't taste good until it is set in the fridge for at least a few hours, and it's best overnight. I waited until the next day to give this a try. You can tell that it's definitely more yellow. It's a lot fatter, a lot more fat content. It's not quite like store-bought cream cheese, but it has its own character and flavor. I believe that store-bought cream cheese probably uses rennet. The lemon gives it a nice flavor. You don't need to use raw milk. I did. Very heavy, very rich, a lot of fat content in this. You can use regular milk, and that'll work perfectly fine. My advice is not to use homogenized milk, because I feel that with homogenized milk, it becomes very grainy. You can leave this in the refrigerator. By the 3rd day to 4th day, the flavor starts to change a little bit. By the 5th day, it's really not that great, but it is really, really good. So try it and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and hit that like button so my channel will grow, and we'll see you again soon.